Hey there, thanks for stopping by. On this video, we're gonna do a Asian style beef rib. This is gonna be good. All right, so what I got here is some long ribs. There's actually 3 bones in here, if you can see that. These are gorgeous. I've had them trimmed up already, nice and thick. These are what short ribs come out of. They cut these up in short, but we're gonna keep them just the way these are. We're gonna smoke them. We're gonna make a Beijing barbecue sauce, and it's basically, I don't know if you guys, I don't know, here in the West Coast we have Panda Express, which is like this fast food type Chinese food. I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of flaming about this, but I kind of like it. We Uber Eats it all the time. Kids love it. I actually love it. They have a product on there called Beijing beef. It's probably one of my favorites. I love that sauce. So we're gonna recreate that sauce actually from a copycat recipe. So we're gonna try to get it as close as possible. You can also now buy Panda Express Beijing sauce, as well as their orange chicken or their orange sauce, Mongolian teriyaki sauce, I think, already bottled. So if you want to cheat and buy those, go right ahead, but we're gonna make it from scratch. We're gonna get our short ribs. I'm gonna use an all-purpose rub by Killer Hogs. This stuff is great. I like using it on steak. So this is what we are gonna use. Nice and simple. Salt and pepper works just as fine. I'm gonna get a nice coating on here. Now the back is optional. I like my food to taste the same on both sides, so we'll just give that a coat. You don't have to do it. All right, we're gonna let these hang out. I got my Lone Star offset smoker heating up 250, 275 with hickory. I love using hickory. We got that out there, they're warming up already. So I'm gonna let these hang out until we get up to the temp we like, and we're gonna get these on. All right, we got our Lone Star heated up 250 degrees with some hickory, like I said. Just gonna throw these on for about 4 or 5 hours until they're nice and tender, or until we're ready to coat with our Beijing sauce. Let's go make some sauce. So to make our Beijing barbecue sauce is what I'm calling it. We're gonna start out with a saucepan, some water, and I'll have the ingredients down below. Some white sugar. Got some plain old ketchup. We got some hoisin sauce. Some soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, and all these ingredients are readily available at any supermarket, just in the Asian aisle. Wasn't hard to find, pretty normal stuff. Some sweet chili sauce, and I love this stuff with shrimp. This is great stuff. Some apple cider vinegar for a little acidity. And we got to add some crushed red pepper, kind of kick up that heat a little bit. If you like it, you know, more, add more. Go ahead and give this a mix. We're just going to go ahead and reduce this. Just simmer it and reduce it down until it's nice and thick. That's it. That's going to be our Beijing barbecue glaze for our beef ribs. All right, guys. So it's been about 4 hours, 4.5 hours, and full disclosure, I did wrap for about an hour to help it come along, so you guys don't need to see that. But let's take a look at this. We've got some great pullback. We're gonna go ahead and start glazing with our Beijing sauce here, which thickened up really nice. I didn't have to reduce it that much, but it did. It got really nice and it smells incredible. So let's go ahead and coat this. I'm gonna do this a couple more times, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, just so it sets up. We get a good layer on there and we'll be ready to eat. So don't go away. There we have it. 5 hours on a Lone Star smoker with some hickory, coated with that Beijing BBQ sauce. Got a lot of shrinkage on here. Internal temp was about 195. This smells incredible. God, I can't wait to bite into this. So let's just chop this thing up. Still a little warm. Now, I think this is something Fred Flintstone would be proud of. These are some awesome looking dino bones. Woo. Gotta take a bite. Oh yeah. Nice and tender, bite through, juicy as all being. That Beijing sauce. I'm gonna call that good for ribs, chicken wings, which I think I'm gonna do that. Smell incredible, smoky, juicy, salty, tangy. That's incredible. You guys are gonna give it a try. Remember guys, hit that thumbs up. I'll see you guys on our next video. Cheers.